Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry if it's kind of loud, you know the Beamer's loud. But I'm currently on the way to Tampa right now, I'm going to Martin. So today's plan is we're going, I bought a new computer. I talked to him about it, got a new computer. Nobody else will program it, so he said he'll program it. But what we're going to do is we are going to, I'm gonna be bringing him my old computer and the new computer that I have too. And what he's supposed to do is take my computer and hook it up to one of the cars there, and tune it to one of the cars there, or program it to one of the cars there, and then see if it runs and acts crazy like it does on mine. If it does, then it's a computer. If not, then the next thing would be the wire harness, which hopefully is not. But I'm on the road right now. I'm gonna stop and get some gas, and then I'm gonna put the GoPro on, and then I'll continue the video. See you guys. All right, guys, we are almost there. Get off at exit 250. Be careful coming out of there, jet. Ooh, why about the Hellcat? Oh, that's 392. I raced a 5.0 last night. He destroyed me. I wish I could have got it on record so I could show people that this car is not fast, that thinks that this car is so fast, and it's really not. I just texted Martin and asked him, does he tune E-46s, and he said no, so we have no luck there still. I'm trying to find somebody that can dyno this car, but nobody wants to dyno it. Almost there. Caught at every freaking red light. All right, guys, so I ended up going the wrong way. Now I'm going the right way. Went the wrong way, went to the wrong address. I don't know what address is online, but that's not the right address. So now we're back on the road, and I'll be there in another 20 minutes. All right, guys, so we just made it here. I'm about to get ready to go up here right now and get the stuff out. So I'll let you guys know what he says in a minute. All right, guys, so currently, I'm on the way home. Found out that it wasn't the computer. He took my computer and put it into another DE that was automatic, and it didn't do the same thing. So pretty much it wasn't the computer. So I'm on the way back home right now, and let's see how to go from there. Oh, this is so annoying. I just want it to be over with already. He said it's probably gonna be the motor, so I gotta go back, and I guess we're gonna swap the motor out now. I was gonna go do the wire harness, but forget all of that, man. I'm not doing all of that, man. I'm ready to snatch the motor out, put the new motor in, get this over with, get this out of the way, because we can't keep on sitting here waiting. I want to get more content, and this just ain't the move. So let me get the GoPro on, and then I'll catch up with you guys in a minute. All right, guys, so we're pulled over on the side of the road at the gas station, and I just got a coolant light, and look, that's blue coolant. Car's leaking coolant now. Luckily I knew that, but I didn't think it was that bad. But I guess I gotta go ahead and change this out. It kind of, my washer, I mean not the washer bottle, the coolant reservoir got fucked up somehow the other day, or the other night, and I wasn't by the shop. So I had to like rig it up and make it work. But I guess that said fuck it, and that took a shit. So here we are right now, changing it out. And the car is smoky hot. I got no gloves and a white shirt on. All right, let's do it. Whew, fuck, burnt the shiznit out of me. Fucking hell. How the fuck does that keep coming forward? Anyways, I got the new one. I think it's actually right here. There's our new baby. All right, guys, so I got back home pretty late that day, yesterday, so I forgot to end the video. But, and my GoPro died as I was doing the Beamer, fixing the Beamer up, so I just lost a bunch of content fixing the Beamer up and a bunch of other stuff. But long story short, it wasn't the computer. Martin swapped the computers out. It wasn't the computer. The computer ran perfectly fine in another G. So I guess we're gonna have to go ahead and take the motor out. It's gotta be something mechanical, because we've done all the electrical stuff. Wire harness isn't burnt anymore, fix that. Computer's not burnt up. So next thing to do is just take the motor out. So really sucks. Just got this car back running. I just got this car running and everything, and then a month later it breaks. Especially if it's the motor, like I don't understand, it makes no sense to me, but whatever. So we're gonna end this video short today, guys. Guess we're gonna go do some more contemplating and trying to figure some things out. But yeah, as always, drop a like please, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll keep you guys updated on what I find next. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.